We announced our partnership with Amazon Elemental Media Tailor Services, and basically what it was is we are integrated into their Media Tailor product, which is a way for media owners to distribute their content. As it relates to SpotX, we actually certified their SSAI, which is server-side ad insertion product, so that clients that are using Media Tailor could then also use SpotX to serve ads into these server-side ad inserted locations. And basically what that means is instead of the client or the player calling us for an ad request, it comes from the server. We send that over to Amazon, they stitch it into the content, and that's delivered with one seamless stream.
So how does this sort of change the playing field around serving video and opportunities for publishers?
Yeah, I think really where it's important is in connected TV environments, because that's where we see the majority of server-side ad inserted placements. And really what it does, it streamlines the workflow for publishers using both Amazon and SpotX, but it also does some other things. It helps with kind of the content being distributed in a more seamless manner, because instead of the ad being called, waiting for any sort of buffering, looking at bit rate, encoding, all that type of stuff, the ad content is actually stitched with the actual video content in the same bit rate, the same codec, and it's delivered right to the player regardless of where that endpoint is.
So Jerry, we've been speaking for a number of years about digital video and the evolution. What's next? What do you think that's exciting in terms of the ecosystem, the opportunities for broadcasters, for brands? You know, what's cool in your mind?
Yeah, I mean, I think what's really cool is the changing consumption habits of consumers. So obviously people are consuming on smart TVs, connected TVs. I think that's a real opportunity for the industry as a whole to embrace what we've learned in digital with audience targeting, one-to-one targeting, being able to have attribution, those type of things in a kind of linear TV experience. I think what will change is we'll probably stop saying TV and digital and everything will just be total video. I think that's the way people are consuming. I know I am. So what's exciting about that is I think we'll see that area grow. Probably see a lot of, companies, explore the space in terms of new measurement, new analytics and reporting, and that'll all be feedback to brands, and they'll be able to reach their consumers, a lot better.
Cool. And finally, tell us a little bit about SpotX. It's you guys are fully integrated now, or I should say, purchased by RTL, and growing. What's next for you guys?
Yeah, the future is bright for SpotX. We're really well positioned to catch this next wave with growing connected TV over the top environments. As it relates to RTL, I think now we have kind of the acquisition behind us. We have great support from the RTL folks. It'll help us enter Europe with a little bit more fury, I would say. They're a little bit more well known in Europe than they are here in the States. But I think it's going to be business as usual. I mean, we are growing. We're doing really well. I think RTL appreciates that, and I think they're going to let us continue to do good work.